Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works so fast and correct. We just unlock the device without any problems, just in a couple of the seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.